Hi folks, this is video production notes for Moria Speedruns, part number 4. In this video, we get a lot farther into the process, and we even do a sample Moria Speedruns episode. It doesn't look like quite like the final thing, but we're moving along, we're getting there. Yeah, and hopefully it's something worth watching. There's some video editing done in this. Yeah, so yeah, you can really see it starting to shape up here. Anyway, this is part number 4. Enjoy. Hey folks, not much has changed with the desktop here. This update, we're just going to show you how it looks in a real run. There are a few components I don't have yet. I don't have a second camera, which I want to be able to hit a key combination and then switch to it. What else? I don't have a microphone. I want to have like a lavalier mic. So yeah, we're just going to do a test run. I'll show you what it looks like in the video editor before it comes out, and then I'll show you the final thing. So yeah. This is going to be interesting. It's not going to be a full 30 minutes or anything. It's just going to be a quick thing to show the beginning, the middle, and then the recap, and then the end. That's what we're going to do. All right, here it is. Okay, let's see this in the editor here. Here is our 20-minute speed run episode. At the start, you can see our introduction. It's got that blue screen filter on it, so when the transition happens, it transitions to the video, like so. Scroll on over. At some point, I forgot my keyboard. I forgot to get my keyboard. So I needed to do a transition. And I just have this generic transition here to make that happen. So that's the next thing that happens. And then at the end we do the recap, which is about there. Oh, PTV is hard to use. There we go. Oh, I had it. There it is. There's the recap, and it has the blue screen filter on it as well. And then to end, we have a simple credits. It might change. I don't know if I'll keep the credits as they are or change them. All right, and that's it. I don't think this is a very good episode, but it is an episode. And I don't think I'll air it or anything, but it's better than the one that I didn't do. So, yeah, I don't think I can show anything else here. We render it to a WebM. That's what we're going to do. It's actually rendering right now in another window. Yeah, that's that. One thing I do is when I render it, I change this to 5. And that's just so I can see if it's going to bail on me or something. So it's just like a test render. So I scale it down to 128 by 72 pixels and just see if it's going to work. Because PTV, GStreamer, whatever, can just crap out at any point here, at any one of these cut points that I've made. I don't know why. It just does it sometimes. The longer the video, the worse. So yeah, anyway, that's what I do, and then I run it for real with this command. GES launch. And you can see it's pumping through. It takes maybe 4 hours or something, maybe 3 hours to do one of these. Maybe less, maybe 2 hours. It's only 20 minutes. And the video is surprisingly small and it looks good. I think so anyway. So with that, let's have a look at the final video. Have fun. In this episode of Mario Speedruns, we'll be trying out the new system, the new way of setting this up. So let's see what that looks like. Let's go. Okay, let's play the game, shall we? Well, that's not right. How about that? Well, you know what? We did a silly run earlier and it was really, really bad. And we died. And this is right where we died. Now, I have some code in that start moria.shell function that is supposed to start a new game when our old one, our old character has died. And in that chunk of code, it checks our hit points to see if it's under 0 or less. And I guess what happened was we didn't save a final game with their hit points less than 0. So here we are with 1 hit points left on 50 feet. There is a capital R coming right at us. We don't have anything that can help us. If I remember correctly, I called one of the scrolls and it was Summon Monster, which really ended it even quicker. So I'm going to die here, no doubt about it. And yeah, I do have these potions. One of them is blindness, and one of them is slow. The spell I need is probably Phase Door. And I can cast it. Look at that. Phase Door, 22% fail. Let's just... What are my options? I can throw a dagger, but then get hit by a little R, a mouse of some kind. Allergies. A pair of those shoes are magical, but that doesn't help. Anyway, I'm not even playing with my keyboard here, so I have to use roguelike commands. What I mean by that is I don't have a keypad, right? Just using my laptop keyboard. So, I guess I should at least wait until I am, at 0 hit points. Or I'll just call the Phase Door now. I want to go north of the rodents. Summon your limited strength. Yeah, what the hell? You faint from the effort. And look how far we went. Wow, did we just live? Wow. I want to get my keyboard out now. I can't believe we actually passed that. So to live here, we're just going to go north. I don't remember which one is north. K is going north. Close, door, that way. Rest. Oh my god, I can't believe we lived. See, that's part of the fun of the game. There's no way I should have teleported that far away into that little danger. Wow. That's awesome. I gotta get my keyboard. I gotta get my keyboard because I can't play with this crazy roguelike command set. Be right back. So is this save scumming going on? It wasn't intentional. I didn't mean to do this. I thought I was going to start a brand new game. Ah, there we go. Welcome to level 4. You got it. Sticking cloud. And what we were doing before was looking for stairs up because we basically cleared the level. See? And we can see those stairs right over here. Ooh, free money. It's a torch we dropped. So how do we get to that thing? Go around the long way, I guess. Run into more bad guys. See? Ah. I am kind of pleased that we restarted this game. Uh-oh. Ooh, we got him. Let's just check out this final bit of the level. And we're in the town and it's nighttime. This always is a bit of a problem because I just don't remember where the stairs were. Were they here? Or here? I don't know. I really don't know. So let's do the dance here. Let's go sell some shoes and some daggers and get some oil for our lamp and sell those potions and scrolls. All right. Oof. Running into beggars and killing them. Let's go 20. Resist cold. There you are. Summon monster. That is like one of the worst scrolls to call if you're just reading blind scrolls, unnamed scrolls, unidentified scrolls. That's it. Yeah, that's just wrong. We sold it for 1, and he's selling it for $2.50. What a rip! All right. What's our next stop? I guess number 3 over here. Look at that, FB Frost brand. Okay, nothing else to sell. Can we pick up the next book? Next book is Magic 1. They don't have it for sale. What is the next thing? We need to go to store number 1 over here. And we're going to purchase some oil. Where's the oil again? D. Another bug in the game here is it should be having a fixed price on that oil. So let's find those stairs. Not there. Are they over here somewhere? Where are you, stairs? It's a good way to die in the town, looking for stairs when you're level 1. I'm pretty sure they're not over here. See what I mean? Oh, that hurt. Now we're running away from him and we don't know where he is. Ah, stairs. Found him. Whew. Anyway, you can see our timer there in the bottom right of the screen. Means we have about 5 minutes more to go. It will turn yellow here in a second. Identify. Nice. Summon monster. Don't need it. Let's read our scroll of identify on our scroll of Beat Pot Ox. Scroll of darkness. Who needs it? Who needs it? Well, there are the stairs going back up to the town right over here. Yeah, I like the first depth here, 50 feet. It's just a treasure romp. Everything you pick up is something you probably need. At least it's something you've never seen before. So yeah, that last episode I did was bad. Bad. Not in terms of what happened, just in terms of how well it went. Oh, it's poor. How well it went in terms of me speaking. I haven't done this in so long. This one was bad too. I didn't have my keyboard when I started. Come on. Was this amateur hour? I guess it is. So it's stuck. Let's do the bash. There we go. Oh, I love having a shovel early on. It can actually save your life in the game because you can sometimes get dropped in on a level and you're trapped in by rubble. There's no doors or secret doors, just rubble blocking you. No amount of digging with the sword will do anything. Uh-oh. Oh, nope. Well, we're screwed, folks. How about that? We're not going to be able to clear these. Oh, maybe we will. I am out of practice, just getting crushed everywhere I go. So we don't know the light spell. But we don't need it on the first level because there are no dark rooms. So I guess I have a bug to fix, at least one, about resuming dead characters. We don't want to do that. Alright, now that our timer over there has turned red, we have 1 minute to go. We're in our final minute, folks. So this won't quite be what things look like. We're going to have hopefully a better mic system, a lavalier mic connected here. And I'm going to have a silent keyboard, and I want to have a second camera, just so I can cut over to there and give another, take on whatever it is. So, we're going to have to draw a line in the sand here and call this complete. All right. We have half the board done here. Oh, it's really freaking out now. All right. Let's get to the edge here. Close enough. Okay, we're done, folks. Next step is to do the statistical recap, where we're going to look at some charts of the characters, see how the character's doing. All right, let's check it out. Okay, let's check out the charts. Start the music. Not bad. Nice stair step here. Oh, there's where we just about died, where we did die, but came back to life. Armor class, gold pieces, buying and selling in the store. These areas. And here are our stats. But how do we rank up? Let's find out. We have survived almost 1 day in the dungeon. After 41 minutes of play. 50 feet is our lowest depth. 90 experience points. Level 4. Tied for... Maybe I should change this ranking to have ties, eh? Anyway. Kills. 88 kills. No dragons. Hit points. Rank number 9 with 19. Almost number 8. The AABBs they're all just placeholders. Armor class 14. Objects picked up 19 objects picked up. Gold 617 topped out at, and our Moria score is 575. All right. How do I get back to the screen? Been confused. Somehow we landed up on this. Anyway. Close. Close. There I am. There you are. So, yeah, that concludes this run of Moria Speedruns. Okay, this is my first try at it, and it's better than the last one that I'm not showing. So we'll see you next time.